What's up, my Don and Donettes? Welcome back. It's Darren from TFD here, where we talk everything fragrances. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, and big up to all my new subscribers too. So today we have a brand new 2021 release from Christian Dior. It's called Tobacolor, and it's from the Maison Christian Privé collection, which is a collection of Dior fragrances that tend to be more high-end than your Savages. So, you know, they've got Amber Nuit. Feve Delicious is my favorite. I want to get that, but they only have the 250ml for £300. What else do they have? Amber Nuit, Bois d'Argent. My ex-boss was a big fan of Dior, so he kind of got me into some of their scents. But yeah, I don't own any except for the Savages, obviously. But this one, I thought, I might have to get. It's brand new and it's not as pricey as some of the others, so it might be worth getting. So we have Tobacolor. This is a 40ml bottle. It's got a nice little magnetic cap there. I'll do a zoom in, don't worry, so you can see it properly. So yeah, this is only a 40ml bottle, but from the name you could tell it's a tobacco fragrance. Also comes with, I did an unboxing video, just a little short one, so I'm gonna get what you pay for. Christian Dior. Add some mark seal, sealed with string. Got the sticker. Look. Maison Christian. You get what you pay for. Little nice pouch there, then a bigger pouch, and then even a little pillow. Wow. Look at that. Quality. 7.5ml and a 40ml. Review coming up now. So as I said in the unboxing video, it comes with this little nice pillow. As you saw, the box was like sealed and wow. This is the 7.5ml it comes with. There you go, that's better. So yeah, 7.5ml. I might just sell it, you know. I'll see them on eBay, £35 for this little small one. Get some money back on paying for the big bottle. And then it came with 2 samples as well. So that's Savage Dior Homme, which I haven't got, but it's quite nice actually. Yeah, I've never owned this one, but spraying the sample, I might have to get this one in the collection. Savage obviously I've already got. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about Tobacolor. Tobacolor. Some are saying it all different, but Tobacolor to me anyway. So it's a unisex fragrance, and obviously tobacco is the most dominant note in there. Yeah, and yeah, I must say my first impressions was really good. I really like it. It's definitely heavily tobacco. It's got obviously tobacco, but it's got honey as well, so it's quite sweet as well, but quite fruity. It's got tobacco, honey, plum, smoke, and tobacco leaf, and another. So it's got 3 sort of tobaccos. I'll put the notes up. Leaf, tobacco, and tobacco leaf, and smoke, and plum, and honey. So it's really quite complex. Even though it's just a tobacco dominant fragrance, you do get the blast of tobacco straight away. But as it dries down, you get a nice sort of fruity kind of vibe to it. And yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. You know, it's only 40ml, but I've got so many now, I don't really need 125ml or 200ml is what they sell. But yeah, so it came out in 2021, I think only a few months ago. But yeah, it's a warm, complex, aromatic tobacco fragrance. So it's unisex, but I think it smells a bit more manly. But women can pull off tobacco. If you love tobacco as a woman, then yeah, go for it, definitely. Yeah, the longevity, I've worn it only once. But yeah, the sillage wasn't as, maybe like an hour, 2 hours, it was kind of projecting, and then it kind of simmered down, and then it kind of just came close to the skin and kind of sat in the background. But I wore it throughout the day, and yeah, I was getting 5-6 hours of longevity. I was getting a bit of whiffs of it after a while. So the longevity is not too bad. So yeah, overall, it's a really good fragrance. Some are saying Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford, but I don't really get that comparison. Pure Havana by Mugler, I would say it's not the same, but that's got tobacco and that's got honey, so it's kind of similar. But this definitely is more refined. I think the extra tobaccos give it that extra oomph of a quite dominant heavy tobacco fragrance. But yeah, I really like it. I really like it, definitely. So the price, £99 for a 40 ml. Bit pricey, but you do get the 7.5 ml as well, so that's not too bad. You can carry this one on holiday and take it around, and then you get 2 samples plus the little pillow. So yeah, the presentation, I'll give them that 10. But yeah, so £99 from their website, and it's exclusive to their website. I saw it a while ago. My friend Jamal, he put me onto it. Damn, you've got to get it. Really, I was like, ain't that bad though. And I thought, but it sold out. For weeks I couldn't get it, and then it came back in stock. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take the punt. Blind bought, didn't smell it or anything, but I think it was a good blind buy. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear it a bit more. But the first day I wore it all day. Obviously, this is a winter, autumn kind of scent. I mean, we're in March now, but you know, Tuesday was lovely and sunny, but you know, now it's just cold. So yeah, I've worn it already. But I would say, yeah, it's more for the winter kind of season. But yeah, it's really good fragrance. I'll say get a sample, check it out. But yeah, for the price, I would like it a bit bigger, but it is from the Maison Christian Privé selection. And that is more high-end than, you know, the others. So yeah, at least I can say I've got one from their collection. I do want Fairy Delicious, as I said before, but it's too pricey. Some of the others I'm not really a big fan of. Grease, I forgot the names, but yeah, some of them I'm not really a big fan of. But this one, yeah, thumbs up, definitely check it out. For the price, for the Maison Christian line, it's not too bad. So that's Tobacolor from Maison Christian Privé collection, Christian Dior. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.